Hello students. Now this time for part second, or this is your part 2 of the topic mitochondria. In this video we are discussing about its labeling sequentially or in decreasing order. The first is mitochondrial matrix. You can see the granular matrix which has so many structures inside mitochondria, or which is covered by double membranes, which is inner membrane and outer membrane. This liquid or granular fluid like structure is known as mitochondrial matrix. Just like in cells there is a cytoplasm. Okay, next, double stranded circular DNA. See, double stranded circular DNA is a distinctive feature of a prokaryotic cell, or this is a sign of prokaryotism. Circular DNA is a specialty of prokaryotic cells, because in eukaryotic cells there is a linear DNA. Okay, next, F1 particles. You can see all pin like structures over the cristae or finger like structure are commonly known as F1 particles. They are also known as Fernandez Morgan subunits, and they are responsible for ATP generation or production of ATPs using various enzymes such as ATPase. Second is F0 particles or FO particles, also known as Parsons subunits. The function of F0 particle is still unknown, so we can skip it. Next, outer mitochondrial membrane and inner mitochondrial membrane. You can see the difference between outer and inner mitochondrial membrane. The outer mitochondrial membrane has so many blue dots on its surface, those are embedded in it. These embedded structures are porine protein complex, okay, and responsible for transport of several kind of molecules. Those are responsible in electron transport system. We will discuss in class 11th about it. Next, inner membrane has so many folds to increase surface area and volume ratio. So these finger like folds or finger like processes inside the mitochondria known as cristae, and on their surface so many alpine like structures. Okay, they are F1 particles. Next, 70s ribosomes are attached on the outer surface of the mitochondria and also found in or inside the mitochondria. You can say 70s ribosomes inside the mitochondria and 80s ribosomes are attached on the surface of the mitochondria. Okay, both type of sentences we can say. Next is that finger like projections of inner membrane called cristae, I already described. Next, approx 50 type of enzymes are present inside the mitochondria responsible for cellular respiration, or we can say breakdown of glucose and then production of ATP using oxygen. So ultimately cellular respiration. Next, last is intermembranal space, which is 10 to 20 nanometer in diameter or in width. Okay, here is also several type of enzymes, those are responsible for cellular respiration. Last is that MEMS or mitochondrial associated membrane system. These are accessory ER or unidentified membranes, those are attached with outer surface of mitochondria. Okay guys, hope you guys understand about the entire topic known as mitochondria. Thank you.